Hi, welcome to this video on how to add Solana to Trust Wallet. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile. Once you log in, you'll see your main Trust Wallet page displaying the regular coins you use. For this tutorial, we'll illustrate how to add Solana to Trust Wallet. First, we need to add Solana to the list of coins on your main Trust Wallet page. To do this, go to the bottom and click on Manage Crypto. A window will pop up. In the search bar, type Solana. When you see Solana listed, toggle the switch next to it. As you can see on the main page now, Solana is added to your list of coins, making it easy to trade, receive, or send Solana. To receive and send Solana, click on Solana. At the top, you can choose to either receive or send. To receive, click Receive, and your dedicated Solana address will be displayed. Use this address to receive your Solana funds. That's how to add Solana to Trust Wallet. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.